Hey everybody, we've got some new Top Wing toys from Nick Jr. And they are so much fun. We love the Top Wing show. We've also got some brand new PJ Masks toys from Disney Jr. It's Catboy and Howler. Whoa! That is so cool. Here's Rip and Kevin. I cannot wait to get these out of the box. And then we even have the PJ Masks robot. Whoa! He spins, he moves, and his face lights up. Look at this. We'll have to turn the lights off so you can see that better here in a second. Aw, what a cute robot. I can't wait to get that out of the box. He is super cool looking. So, we've got all of these neat toys. What should we unbox first? We've already unboxed these guys in another video, and that was so much fun. You've got Swift and Rod. And back here, we've got Penny from the Top Wing show. And don't forget Brody. And they got to meet all of the Paw Patrol pups. So that was really neat. But I think we should open up a PJ Masks toy first. Let's open up Catboy and Howler and see what we've got. Here is our Catboy figurine. There we go. My little boy dressed up as Catboy for Halloween last year. What are you going to dress up for Halloween this year? Let me know down in the comments what you're planning to dress up as. And here is Howler. Whoa, he's really cool. I think we can put this in his hand, just like that. Whoa, that's a cool figurine. You know what? After getting Howler out, I really want to see Rip. Look at this. Let's go ahead and get these guys out so we can see the other PJ Masks figurines. We have Owlette's shield. Whoa, that's really cool. Looks like it's made from feathers. And she can hold on to it. And here is Rip. She's got purple hair, and you can see her ears here. So now we've got both these characters out. And let's get the last one. Here we go. Who's with Gecko? It's Kevin. Alright. I'm going to open up this one so we can get Gecko and Kevin out. Here is Gecko, and he's got a shield. You know what? This shield kind of looks like the Teenage Ninja Mutant Turtles. And then she's got her shield. And you know what? I think Catboy is supposed to be holding on to this, because he doesn't have a shield. So is that his super cat speed? And then they've got shields, like that. And then we've got Kevin. He's got some really cool hair. So let's look at all three of these guys. Right here. That is really neat. Which one is your favorite? I think I like Rip. She's pretty cool. Alright, what should we open next? We opened some PJ Masks toys. But now, I think we should open up a Top Wing toy. Do you want to see all of these cool figures? Let's see who's on the back. We've got Penny, and here is Batty, because he's a bat. And we've got Swift, Rod, Brody, and Betty. Look at this. They go right along with our PJ Masks characters. It looks like they could be really good friends. I bet they can't wait to meet the new PJ Masks characters. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Get Batty and Betty out. There we go. Here is Penny. She's all ready to go. Here is Swift, and he's a blue jay. I think Penny is a penguin. Rod is a rooster. And then Brody, I believe he's a toucan. There we go. See his colorful beak? It looks like a toucan. And that's a kind of bird. And then we've got our bat friends. You think they're ready for Halloween? Here we go. So we've got Betty and Batty. And they're from the Top Wing show. They look like they're ready for Halloween. And then we've got our other characters from PJ Masks. And here is Rip. That was so much fun unboxing all of these cool characters. And I really love the new Top Wing show. I can't wait to watch more. And we've got some more Top Wing toys that we're going to be unboxing really soon. Let me show you one of them. It's so cool. Da-da-da-da! Look at this thing. This is one of the new Top Wing toys. And we are going to be unboxing it in another video real soon. It is so cool. And we're going to be opening this up in another video. And I cannot wait to show it to you.
Got a cat.
Woohoo!
Roger that. On my way. Whoa, that was close. Got a cat.
It makes so many
Roger that.
cool sounds
On my way.
and phrases.
Hang on.
Whoa, that is awesome. So we'll be opening it up soon. But right now, let's get the PJ Masks robot out of the box. And then we're going to turn the lights off and watch him move around. Gotta turn these. Oh, that was pretty easy. And we've got a little bit back here to undo. There we go. We've got our robot out. And he is pretty neat. So let's come down here and take him out of try me mode. So now he is on. So hopefully he'll start moving around. Let's make him some space. You don't want to get run over, Swift. And push down. Whoa! He's driving away. Let's turn the lights off so you can see his cute face. Push down. That's my favorite. I love that smile. Ah, he's gonna ride off the table. Go back, little guy. That is a cool robot. We've got Gecko and Catboy. They are here to meet the new robot. Here's Owlette. Uh-oh, they can't stand. They're really worried about the robot taking over the city. Don't worry, you can take it. Here he comes. Woo! Watch out, guys. Uh-oh, looks like he ran over the PJ Mask. I don't think he meant to. He seems pretty nice. He's winking at us. This little robot is so cute. And soon we'll be doing another video with the amazing Super Moon Adventure Headquarters rocket. Whoa, that is a cool PJ Masks toy. You know what? It reminds me of the Paw Patrol Air Patroller. And you've got little Gecko down here. And he can even go inside the rocket ship. I cannot wait to show this toy to you. So keep an eye out for this toy and for the new Top Wing Flash Wing Rescue. Whoa, we've got lots of neat toys that we're going to be doing videos of. I really enjoyed showing you all of these cool toys. If you have any questions, place them in the comments. And be sure to subscribe for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.